some lemonade. Coffees. Welcome to Boston, guys. We are at the Allston Hotel. We are in a king room studio, about roughly $300 with everything included. This place is artsy, to say the least. This room in particular has a lot of pieces. Unique couch piece, sofa, plenty of seating space. There is a full bathtub included. Everything seems to be really clean, actually. No water pressure issues. This is the living space, and looking outside out the window, parking space to the right, courtyard to the left. Doesn't look like much going on right now, but swinging over to the bedroom,
sorry,
full screen TV, safe on the lower section. Plenty of dresser space. I do.
Space in general.
Right?
One thing I'll say is
This is very spacious in here.
it is like what we would have spent in a place like New York City for a room like this. We would have had one of these rooms, not both.
Yeah.
Also, they have a white noise machine, which is actually lovely because if it gets loud in the surrounding areas, that will help kids asleep out. You don't have to play that.
And we can look down on the balcony. Or not on the balcony, on the courtyard there. Very nice. Looks like they have a bar down there as well.
They do. I think that's actually where the restaurant is over there.
I can't wait to try some of it. And then
Something over here.
our little nook over here in these comfy violet chairs.
Our free breakfast up here and eat it.
Okay.
I love all the artwork everywhere though. It really does make it much more
It does.
inviting.
It certainly does. What kind of alarm clock we got over here? Do we got any? I've noticed this place doesn't have the additional outlets on everything.
That's alright though.
You think-
Plenty of clothes nearby.
What's in this room?
Nothing.
Probably the boiler or something. It's right next to the thermostat. I set it to cool and I set it to 69.